So I've been on Rollercoin for a little longer than 1 year now. It's been 1 year and 1 week approximately from the time of recording this video that I actually started to play Rollercoin. So today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you my current progress, the power that I have, the bonus power that I have, and sharing some insightful information of how I've found Rollercoin in the past year. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's been quite a journey. 1 year already on Rollercoin, and I can tell you from now that it has been quite an adventure. It's been great. I've been through a couple of their seasons already, starting with season 7. I believe I started from season 7, and I've gone up to season 10 now at the moment. So on my screen here you can see my Rollercoin homepage, my room, my 4 rooms actually. Now, how did I manage to achieve all of this in 1 year, you might be asking? So I have put out a video out there that I will be leaving a link for in the description below this video as well, of what I actually invested in the game over the past year, and you can check that out as well, but it wasn't all that much. The most and biggest thing that I have invested in this game is time and patience. It is very key and very fundamental that you have patience. Patience is going to get you through it, okay? It does take quite a bit of time to start building up to anything significant in Rollercoin, okay? So what I would suggest that you do is actually do the daily quests. At least try and hit, if you have like 10 of them, try and hit 8 of them, okay? Try and get most of these, okay? For example, Win 10 games in Crypto Hamster. Over the years, these have reduced significantly as well, and they are becoming more manageable, and you don't need all that much time to be able to achieve all of these quests, okay, or most of them, because maybe you can't do the task walls from CPX, for example. Like in my case, I can't really do that because I don't get surveys in my country, okay? Earn 0.5 RLT in task wall. Maybe you won't be able to do that either, because that could be kind of a bit dependent on the other one as well. So try and do what you can. Like, playing games is the best one you can actually do. Like today it's Crypto Hamster and something else. I think there is Crypto Hamster and Coin Match, which I have already done. Win 20 games, I've already done that. So you start getting RST. With the RST, you'll be able to purchase miners as well, and you'll be able to purchase parts, and you'll be able to merge miners with those parts. So that is how I did it. You have to strategize. You have to kind of keep on building up those parts until something really great comes out and a new powerful miner does come your way, okay? So it doesn't mean because you can actually merge a very simple miner that you should do it. Try and save up for something more memorable that's going to give you loads more power in the game, that's going to give you a very good jump in front of all the other people that are ahead of you. For example, at the moment now, at time of recording this video, I am at place 2174 out of 4.1 million people, okay? So 2174, when I had started, I remember that I was at place 30,000 a year ago, okay? 30,000. Then I started building up slowly. I started selling some parts. I started selling miners on the marketplace. The marketplace is one of Rollercoin's biggest features, okay? Here you can literally get back some RLT, and there are loads of people out there, loads of rollers playing that actually do buy parts. There are batteries that you can buy and sell. There are loads of things that you can do. Just try and strategize and do them at the right moment. You might say, when is the right moment to do it? There is never an easy answer to that question, okay? There's never a right moment. There might be an even better moment after the right moment that you thought was the right moment, okay? So you just have to see what's right for you at the time that you actually do things, okay? So for example, a small tip that I can give you is, if you're actually going to buy a miner, okay? Let's say here I've got 131 RLT. So I'm going to go to the marketplace, okay? And I'm going to look at miners, and I'm going to search for something that costs in the range of 120 to 130 RLT, maximum power, maximum bonus, everything, okay? Just 120 to 130. And I can see that I can purchase these miners, okay? So if I can purchase, for example, let's say Crypto World, okay? That's giving you here the bonus now. Rollercoin have changed this as well, so at a glance you can see what bonus it gives you as well, which is very nice as well. You don't have to click it, you don't have to go into it. It's going to give me 1.5 petahash per second and a 3.5% bonus, which is very, very good. I don't even have one of these, so I would actually be getting that bonus. Now remember that the bonuses are not going to be applied to your total bonus power. In my case, it's almost 90% at the moment, if you already have the miner. If you have a different type of the same miner, that bonus will be applied. If it's going to be uncommon or rare, the bonus will be applied, even though it's the same miner, because it's still a different level type of miner, okay? So these things, these small tips are very important, okay? So always check the marketplace. Sometimes you might go to the store and you might go, for example, to Sales and Popular. Now, although this might be one of the tasks during a week, so purchase something from flash sales. These are the flash sales, okay? These sometimes can be a bit more expensive than actually purchasing from the marketplace. So that is another tip I'd like to share with you. Let's say, for example, I want to get this Washingtonian miner. Okay, I'm going to copy that name. Here it costs 30 RLT. Okay, $29.99, 30 RLT. They're saying it used to cost 88. If we go to the marketplace and we actually try and search for it, so I'm just going to paste that in there. Here it costs 27. So that's already, I'm saving 3 RLT right there, okay, if I purchase it from the marketplace. So the difference with the flash sales is that in a flash sale, you'll also be completing one of the weekly tasks here. So for example, it could be that you'll be completing the spend a certain amount of RLT. So spend 35 RLT to get 60 RST. So you might be spending a little bit more, but you'll be getting 60 RST in this case, okay? And then if you actually purchase that miner to be able to merge it, because you've already got one like it, then you'd even be making even more. So this is the way you need to kind of strategize and think about the bigger picture rather than just the one moment thing in time that you're going to do. So think about the bigger picture. What are you going to do if you buy that miner? Do you already have another one like it? Maybe you can merge it. If you're going to merge it, you're going to complete one of these weekly tasks as well. If you're going to spend 35, you're going to spend 35 and get 60 RST. Again, here, make a purchase from weekly offer. There you go. You've got the weekly offer. You've got another 30 RST as well. So it's true that it might be more expensive from purchasing them from the weekly offers and flash sales, but look at all the things I might have gained just for spending 3 more RLT, okay, in this case, okay, because there might be a bigger difference, and you'll say, no, it's not worth it, I'm just going to get that from the marketplace and maybe get something that's closer to the same price from the actual flash sale to be able to get like an easy 150 RST or so. Okay, and with that 150 RST, you can open a few parts cases and merge even more miners. Okay, and there could be other things like, for example, the crafting office, and you'll have enough parts then to even get an even more powerful miner as well. So this is what you need to think about. It's about thinking about the bigger picture, and this is all of what I did during my journey in the past year playing Rollercoin. This is the way I strategized. This is the way I put things into practice. But it does take patience. It does take time, okay? So be sure to do your best to try and be very patient. And obviously, watch my videos for cool tips and tricks, because I only want to help you out, and that's all I want to do. I'm not giving you any financial advice at all. So like, I invested in this game, I invested, like I mentioned in the Rollercoin video that I did, where I invested some actual money, where I actually transferred crypto, because I had bought the crypto, or I had actually mined the crypto and spent money on electricity to mine that crypto, and I actually transferred it to the game, converted it to RLT, and actually purchased a few more miners, or because I wanted to get a multiplier, for example, in the progression events that there are. So progression events are another great way to gain power, okay? Try and play those games. Try and hit the tasks. You'll be able to get a few great miners from progression events as well, okay? So if you reach higher difficulty levels, they'll start cooling down as well, and then you can start going up and playing more games and getting more 500 points for the progression events and things like that. For example, at the moment, there's no progression event going on. Okay, so it would be more enticing to actually finish off higher level games and get into higher difficulty level games if there were a progression event going on. Okay, so even RLT, if I wanted to, for example, transfer my Solana, which is what I am currently mining, and this is no financial advice, okay? And when I say mining, I mean in the Rollercoin game, okay? You're not actually mining. The term I would use would be more acquiring crypto from Rollercoin, okay? So here I am actually doing Solana. I've been doing Solana for a few months now. I found that Solana has quite good potential as well. So what I'm doing is sometimes actually withdraw that Solana, or either convert it to RLT to get multipliers when there are progression events going on, to blast my way through the progression event as well. So I just strategize and try and manage it that way, depending on what I want to do at that time. But obviously I do want to get some of my investment that I put in the game, not just time, but even the money as well, back as well. So I mean, that's a natural instinct for everyone, I guess, that we're all here at the end of the day because we want to get something out of this. But always remember that there's the element of fun. As long as you enjoy playing Rollercoin, as long as you like what you're doing and you really like the way the game works and the concepts, the factor that you actually make crypto from the game and make money from the game is, look at it as an additional bonus, okay? Don't look at it as the primary reason only of why you're doing it, okay? Support the project. The project is great. It's been going on for more than 5 years now. It's a great game. I can testify to that for the past year. It's been great. I've never had any issues with withdrawals. I've withdrawn Solana, even Matic. I think there was something else as well. I think Bitcoin at one time as well, and some Ethereum. So I did withdraw bits and pieces of these coins as well. The last withdrawal that I did was an equivalent of $20 in Solana, I believe. So that was quite a good amount. That $20 then did start going up because Solana did start going up in price, and now that Solana is worth actually around $40 or $35. So I actually held on to it. I didn't sell it straight away. So with the benefit of playing Rollercoin, I actually managed to get a nice cryptocurrency that I've always wanted, but I never really wanted to continue to mine and spend loads of electricity for. So that is another way that you can acquire cryptocurrencies, is from Rollercoin as well, okay? So these are my 2 cents and some tips and tricks in the past year, my awesome journey with Rollercoin. I don't want to drag this video out any longer, but let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And if you're not currently registered on the Rollercoin game, you can click my link in the description below and you'll immediately get 1000 Satoshi in order to help you get started to build your mining empire and this data center that you can see. I've got like 4 rooms here now. Different racks with different bonuses, okay? I'm building up, I'm selling some. The older ones I start to sell off, okay? The duplicate miners I'm going to try and start to merge as well. So it all takes time, patience, and dedication to the game, and support Rollercoin as much as you can because they're always releasing great updates, themed updates, seasonal updates, and the season is coming to an end very soon as well, and we'll be looking forward to the next season with Rollercoin. There seems to be a great team behind all of this, so I think that it is definitely worth the time. I'm not telling you play it 24/7. We've all got lives and most of us work as well, so they don't have that much time. But the Rollercoin team did reduce the requirements as well of how much time you need to spend to play the games and to earn as much crypto possible that you can with playing the games. Again, it takes time and dedication and patience. So just be patient, watch my videos, I'll keep you up as much as possible on Rollercoin game with all the new updates that are coming out as well, so be sure to stay tuned for those too. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.